Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're starting the first topic of this chapter, that is animal fibers, wool and silk. So 3.1, wool. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak and some other animals. These wool yielding animals bear hair on their body. Do you know why these animals have a thick coat of hair? Hair trap a lot of air. Air is a poor conductor of heat, as you would learn in chapter 4. So, hair keeps these animals warm. Wool is derived from these hairy fibers. So, that's all for this topic, that is wool. That wool comes from sheep, goat, and these other animals, and then these wool yielding animals have hair on their body, and why they have these thick coat of hair. So that's given the reason, that is hair trap a lot of air, and air is a poor conductor of heat. So you can definitely give the reason for this, that why do they have uh, hair on their body. So then we have activity 3.1, that is feel the hair on your body and arms and those on your head. Do you find any difference, which one seems coarse and which one is soft? Like us, the hairy skin of the sheep has two types of fibers that form its fleece. First, the coarse beard hair, and the second, the fine soft under hair close to the skin. The fine hair provide the fibers for making wool. Some breeds of sheep possess only fine under hair. Their parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which only have soft under hair. These process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring, such as soft underhair in sheep, is termed as selective breeding. So here it is defining the selective breeding, that what is the term mean by this and what's the process of this. So you can just go through this definition of this, and then we have, that is they have the hairy skin of the sheep, that is of two types. So the first coarse beard hair, and second fine soft under hair. So the fine hair provide the fibers for making wool, and then some of them possess only fine under hair, and then parents are specially chosen to give birth to sheep which only have soft under hair. So this is the process of selective breeding. Now that's it for this video. Now we will continue this so we will continue the next topic in the next video. Till then, you just go through the chapter that we have discussed in this video.